Hi, this is Taylor with Lawson Screen and Digital Products, and today we'll be talking about the Lawson DTG Platens. These platens are designed for the Epson DTG printer. The only difference between a Lawson platen and the Epson platen is the metal hoop. Lawson manufactures a variety of different size platens. This applies no matter which one you get. To use the Lawson platen, it's very simple. Just take some double-faced tape. You can get it from anywhere. I got this stuff from Walmart, and just apply a couple of strips onto the platen. You don't need a lot. You're just trying to prevent the shirt from moving during printing. Once you have the tape applied, go ahead and take your shirt. You're going to load it just like you would any other platen. Although, once it's loaded, smooth it out. No need to use a hoop. You're ready to go. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great tech tips and check us out at golawson.com.